Welcome! Today we're going to set up your Brother machine on a wireless network using the WPS button. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Wi-Fi protected setup, better known as WPS, will enable your Brother machine to connect to your wireless router with the push of a button. Before we begin, you'll need to verify that your wireless router has a WPS button. The router's WPS button may be located on the top of the router, on the front, or back. The location will depend on your router's make and model. If your router does not have a WPS button, you'll need to use an alternate method for wireless setup. Click the link on the screen to see other ways to connect. To begin, confirm your Brother machine is powered on. Begin by pressing the wireless icon on the touchscreen. Select the WPS option. When prompted to switch network interface to wireless, press Yes. When the Start WPS screen appears, press OK. If your machine connected successfully, the Connection Successful message will appear. Your Brother machine and the wireless router will now begin the connection process. It may take a minute for the process to complete. If your machine connected successfully, the Connection Successful message will appear. If the connection fails, a confirmation page will print indicating a failed connection. You'll need to reboot the power to your router and the Brother machine and try again. After the connection process is finished, you'll need to go to either the App Store or the Play Store and download the Brother Mobile Connect application in order to print and access other features of your machine from your mobile device. Press Add a Machine on the app, then select Add your machine to the app to select your model. You are ready to print and scan with Brother Mobile Connect. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.